Alright, so today we're going to be talking about being a word detective, using the clues that we read to help us figure out what words mean. So, why do you think it is important to know the meaning of words? Any ideas? Why do you want to know what the words mean when you're reading? Harley? So you can understand the parts that you're reading, right? You want to be able to understand and comprehend all that you're reading. So one way to help you figure out those unknown words is to use your context clues, right? You infer, which is taking a good guess. You can use definitions to help explain the words. Use examples, or you can think of either antonyms or synonyms to help you come up with that unknown word. So when you're taking a good guess, for example, elephants are one of the few animals known to use tools, which leads researchers to believe that they are intelligent animals. So if you were taking a guess on what the word intelligent means, do we have any ideas what that word would mean? That would be a good guess. She thinks that the word intelligent means smart. If you're thinking about the definition that's explaining the word, the example is scientists say that elephants are intelligent and show their clever thinking time and time again. So what in there would be the definition to help you think of the meaning for intelligent? Clever thinking. The part of the sentence would be the clever thinking. That is the intelligent. An example. What would be the example from this sentence? Elephants, who have the largest brain of any land animal, are intelligent animals. What part of that sentence would be an example of the word intelligent? If we think that intelligent means smart or knowing things or having knowledge, what would be an example of intelligent? Right, largest brain. An antonym or an unlike word. Even though they may look like they are not the brightest animal on the savannah, elephants are very intelligent. So what out of that sentence would be the antonym to intelligent? Riley? Not the brightest would be the antonym, right? The not the same words as intelligent. If you're talking about a synonym, zookeeper said that elephants are intelligent and are exceptionally smart animals. What would be the synonym for intelligent in that sentence? Meaning the same as intelligent. Yes, exceptionally smart. Good job. So when you are reading and you're trying to come up with the meaning of an unknown word, think of the clues and evidence that help you find the word meaning. What do you think it means? Can you think of any synonyms or antonyms? And can you use that word in a sentence on its own? So what we're going to do is I have a story to read us. And from this story, you're going to see some underlined words. We're going to have to determine the meaning of these words. So here is paper, it's going to give you the word, some choices for your meanings, and then what evidence from the text helped you come up with that meaning is what you're going to be answering. So I'll go ahead and read your story to you. It's called A Midnight to Remember, Determining Word Meaning in Fiction. Ava listened to Taylor Swift's newest album and knew she had to get concert tickets for Taylor's next tour. When she found out how hard it was to get tickets, Ava was in a state of melancholy. Her family tried to cheer her up with dance parties and midnight snacks. Ava was a good person. She was kind and helped others, and felt that some good karma should be headed her way as a result of her good deeds. Instead, she was met by sneaky hucksters who said they sold great tickets, but Ava suspected that they were fake. Ava's mom tried to covertly search for tickets, but she wasn't as sneaky as she thought. Ava saw and hoped her mom could get tickets. Her brother helped Ava make a sparkly, bejeweled dress with gems she could wear if she made it to the concert. Over time, Ava realized she probably wouldn't make it to the show. A week before the concert, Ava's mom came to her room with something behind her back. She put an arm around Ava and said, "I know it's not as good as the real thing, but we could have our own concert in the living room." She showed Ava the decorated ticket her little brother had made. Ava was still a little sad, but she smiled as she realized how much her family had done to try to make her dreams come true. The night of their home concert was like a montage from a movie. It was a string of fun moments, one after the other. And it was all because of Ava's family and the one and only Taylor Swift. All right, so I believe question 1 is for our first underlined word. What does melancholy mean? Your choices: confusion, excitement, boredom, or sadness. I think melancholy means sadness. What from the text can help you determine that it means sadness? Any ideas? So, in this sentence where it says melancholy, when she found out how hard it was to get tickets, she was in a state of melancholy. What helps you find out that melancholy means sadness? Yes, good, yep. Her family tried to cheer her up, so that means that she was sad. So for what evidence is in the text, you can put that her family tried to cheer her up. For number 2, what does karma mean? Does it mean concert tickets, being kind to someone, bad news, or what happens as a result of a person's actions? Ella? D, yes. What happens as a result of a person's actions? If you read the sentence with karma, it says she was a good person. She was kind and helped others and felt that some good karma should be headed her way as a result of her good deeds. What in there is your clues? What helps you come up with the meaning? Kylie? She was a good person, a result of her good deeds. Because karma is what happens from a result of a person's actions. So what good karma, you're going to do good deeds. Number 3, what does huckster mean? A pushy salesperson, a person who loves music, a helpful person, or a musician. She was met by sneaky hucksters who said they sold great tickets, but Ava suspected they were fake. Kylie? A pushy salesperson. What evidence from the text helps you come up with that answer? Yeah, she suspected they were fake tickets. That would help.